they are empowered by what they see in Hollywood. Parang people who espouse these ideas in Twitter, in Facebook, are being hailed as heroes. Parang brave and stunning. Diba? Mga ganon na parang it is so easy to virtue signal to be called brave just for typing words. Kumbaga, what kind of ego boost na makukuha mo doon? Baka mga 10 years, 20 years ago, para masabing brave ka, anong kailangan mong gawin?
Totoo.
Diba? Kailangan mong kumbaga, lumaban ng magnanakaw dyan. Kailangan mo talagang magpaka-brave. Diba?
These days, mas punk rock pa nga yung pagiging conservative.
Dahil
I remember recently may isang UP Los Baños student na tumatakbo for student council, and his platform is yung conservative values. Nabash siya ng marami sa mga kasama niya sa school, kaibigan niya, family members. And doon mo mas kailangan ng bravery to speak the truth.
Actually, diba?
Kahit na mabash ka.
It's very odd that saying common sense things is bravery now.